The main material of the landing gear consists of rods and accessories. We will first open the rods inside. There will be a serial number, and we should arrange them according to the serial number. The accessories in the bag are the same. Label can be kept and cut off after disassembly. The serial number should face upwards, making installation more convenient and reducing errors. This accessory set contains a total of 10 pieces. Put the labels here to avoid mixing them up. This accessory set includes 5 pieces, but not all are actually needed. One is a spare. Here's what it looks like after being organized. Take out the toolkit. Grab rods 3, 1, and 5, numbers facing up. The installation end is hollow. There's no cap on it. Grab the LS7 part, twist it open, and slide it onto rod 1. Align it with number 3. Now install rod 5. Unscrew the 2 LS plugs and snap them into place. Make sure they are fully engaged, then tighten the screws. This step is just like the first one. Make sure it's fully locked into place. We'll install the corner extensions. Grab rod 1 and make sure the end with the white cap is pointing in this direction. Grab the LS11 part and loosen the screw. The height is adjustable. Do the same for the second one. Make sure the heights match on both sides. Push the foot cover down firmly so it stays in place. Lower one corner while holding LS-7 and attach it to rod to . Pull out the pin and tighten it. Install the second rod number 2. Installed at about 15 centimeters high, visually consistent in X. We'll install the number for rod. Use the LS8 connector to attach the number 7 rod. Extend about 12 centimeters and keep it vertical. Use 2 MS5 connectors to attach rod number 6. Attach it to rod number 2 and tighten to secure. Repeat the same on the other side. Sit on the stool to test the height and make sure it's comfortable. Finally, install the support rod using the LS5 connector. Keep the rod vertical and tighten the screws. Take out the LS5 to round head hook and install it in the designated spot. Installation complete. Finally, check each screw and tighten it securely.